Hello students, how are you? Subscribe my channel. Today we are going to differentiate between Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria are ancient bacteria, Eubacteria are advanced. No nucleus present in both bacteria, both are single celled. Archaebacteria found in deep ocean, Eubacteria found everywhere. Escherichia coli is example of Eubacteria. Archaebacteria form yellow ring around hot spring at 90-degree temperature. In Eubacteria, they are prokaryotic found in human body. Archaebacteria, they possess variety of cell wall. In Eubacteria, only peptidoglycan cell wall present. No flagella present in Archaebacteria, but archela evolutionary structures are present. In Eubacteria, flagella present for locomotion.